it's a very exciting game, to be fair. I think both teams had a real go at it. It was difficult with the conditions. Obviously the wind was quite strong, but we came into it with a bit of a game plan. We managed to get what we wanted and play against the wind first half. Sometimes the wind, it can take the ball through a bit too much if we play those through balls, so we wanted to be able to play the ball through and hopefully it would hold up, which it did first half. Great save from the penalty and good reaction to that, and then to go and get a goal against that win, give us a platform and something to build on at half time. And yeah, I thought we were great. I thought we deserved another win.
Ti'n gallu gweld pan mynd i chwarae, rydyn ni'n brwydro gyda gilydd a hapus iawn gyda'r buddugoliaeth.
Look, we were good enough today. Hands up, players know it, you know. We've got to make sure that performance doesn't happen again. That's the end of that really for us. It was a massive opportunity to get to a Welsh Cup semi-final. We didn't quite take it with both hands. And that's football, look. You roll with the punches, and unfortunately today we just weren't at the races.
Do you know what? We've got a lot of young girls here who have got very bright futures ahead of them. I think the average age of our team was probably around 20 today. And I think most of them are destined to play a higher level. I think they are going to be playing at the top level. So it was nice for them to come and prove a point today to people who are watching who maybe don't know them, that they are good enough to play that level.
I think there was many moments in that game that we didn't help ourselves. The 2 goals were probably prime example of that. We didn't help ourselves. We didn't do the basics right. And we need to going forward. We need to do those basics. Otherwise, it's going to be even harder.